Okay, so after installing Kali Linux, we're going to proceed to installing the second machine in our lab. So the second machine is going to be Metasploitable. Metasploitable is another Linux machine. You can think of it as the opposite to Kali. So Kali is designed so that you can use it to hack into other devices. Metasploitable is designed so that you hack into it. So it's designed for people who want to learn penetration testing. It is designed so that it has a number of vulnerabilities, and we're gonna try to use Kali Linux in order to hack into Metasploitable. So this is gonna be one of the target or victim machines. You can download this from the following link. You will end up with a zip file like this one. So sorry, not this one, like this one. So once you uncompress it, you'll get this directory. Double click it and you'll see the following files. So we're going to create a new machine here in virtual machine, and I'm going to call it Metasploitable. And this is going to be a Linux machine. And I'm going to hit continue. And I'm only going to give it a gigabyte of RAM, should be enough. And then I'm going to use, remember with Kali Linux, we created a new virtual hard disk. With this, we're going to use an existing one. The reason for that is because the image that we have right now is actually, it's designed for VMware Player. So what we're going to do is we're going to import the hard disk file or the hard disk image in here, so that we're going to have a ready installation without having to install it the way we installed Kali Linux. So we're just going to use an existing virtual hard disk file, and I'm just going to navigate to select what it is. I'm going to go into the Metasploitable directory, and I'm going to select the .vmdk file. So it's this file right here. I'm going to click on open and create. So we're gonna start this machine right now. Okay, so the machine has run now, it's completely installed. As I said, you don't really need to install anything. We just imported a ready installation, a ready hard disk. So it's asking me for the username, and the username is msfadmin. And the password is the same, so it's msfadmin as well. And as we can see now, we logged in. Now this machine only has a terminal, as you can see right now. And it's giving you a warning that you should never expose this machine to external internet connection, because it is a vulnerable machine. It is designed to be vulnerable. Now, right now, it's only inside our lab. It's only installed as a virtual machine. So literally nobody outside our lab can access it. So this is a really good way of using it. Now this is it, the machine is installed. As I said, in the future we're gonna talk about how we're gonna try and hack into this machine. Again, don't be intimidated by the terminal. We're gonna be using it a lot, and we're gonna learn how to use it step by step. So at the moment, just we have this installed, and we're gonna move on to the next step, and we will talk about this once we actually need to use it in the future. So if you want to turn off this machine, all you have to do is just type in power off and hit enter. And it's telling you that you need to be root. So again, I'll talk about this later. For now, sudo power off. So just run the command like this. And it's asking you for the admin password. And that's it, it's going off now. And here we go, the machine is off.